How many of you all would like to look good? I mean, every girl wants to look pretty and beautiful, isn't it? Every guy wants to look handsome and smart, isn't it? A teacher who taught English once came to a class of 7-year-olds, wrote on the board, "I am beautiful," and asked a boy, "Which tense is this?" The boy instantly replied, "Past tense, madam." Now, isn't it a fact that our external beauty does eventually end up being past tense? A friend of mine told me a very beautiful story. There was a man in a village who had heard amazing things about the president of his country and was fascinated. Forget about the internet being commonly available then. They didn't even have newspapers coming to the remote village where the man lived. And then he heard that the president was coming to a city which was about 100 miles away from his village. The man took the poor public transport available to him and changed 2 buses to come and see the president whom he had only heard about and was so fascinated by. As he stood there in the large crowd waiting to catch a glimpse of the president, his mind imagined a handsome, towering figure walking in with majesty. Being a little impatient, the man asked one of the city folks standing right next to him, "Have you ever seen the president? What does he look like?" The city man replied, "Well, I have. Just average looks, nothing exceptional." And just then the president walked into the crowds. The man from the village saw the rather short in height, gentle-looking president of the country walking in with great humility. As the president passed by where the village man was standing, amongst the thousands present there, the president held the man's hand and inquired about his well-being with great kindness. The village man spontaneously remarked, "Who said he was average and nothing exceptional in looks? I haven't seen a man more handsome than him." The president was the former president of India, also known as the Missile Man of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who had once said, "I'm not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help," because beauty is required in the heart, not in the face. Want to be handsome? Give your hand to some who needs it and acquire a beauty which shall never end up to be past tense.